We are Cedros, and we are going to present typical Mexican dishes.
Okay, we are Cedros and we're about to present tropical Mexican dishes, which are called in Spanish antojitos mexicanos. Now I'm about to explain the base of for these dishes, which is the tortilla masa, which is round corn, and its base is all it's made out of this. Yeah. Okay, so we're about to make a tortilla. What we need to do first is to grab some of this mess. We'll make a ball of a sphere. It's better if it's a sphere, so it has a good shape. So
then you put it in the tortilla press and only do this, and you press it, and you have a tortilla.
Tortilla was the main dish of the Aztecs, since the main crop was corn. Corn was easy to get, was easy to raise, and tortilla is really simple to make. So we're about to move to the next step, which is to cook the tortilla since it is raw. Right now, as you can see, you can make that thing. So let's move on to the hot plate.
This is raw corn and we have to squash it and then cook it.
Then we put it into the oven.
We have to make a lot because there are too many types of dishes.
Puedo intentar.
We are going to put in to cook because we have to make like 5 or 6 tortillas to this dish.
We need to make a lot of it because there are another antojitos waiting.
Our country's main food is the tortilla. We use it for many different meals, such like quesadillas, sopes, chalupitas, and more. It is also an excellent complement for some dishes like eggs with beans, and is also a good source for energy.
I will make a quesadilla, and the two things you have to use are the cheese and the tortilla. The first step is to pull the cheese apart. Like this. Then you have to get the tortilla and put the cheese in and put it again in the hot plate. The quesadilla is one of the first dishes of Mexico.
Now we're gonna make a quesadilla of chicharrón. Now we need some chicharrón, that is the skin of the pig, fried. Now we cut it. We cut it finely till it gets to this position. Now we're using some chile de árbol. We put it in this bowl with some water, and then we put it to boil. Now we blend it with some of the chilies. We put them with some garlic, an onion, with a piece of salt. Once the sauce is ready, we mix it with the chicharrón. And finally, we have the chicharrón prensado ready to put in the quesadilla. Now we can put this in the quesadilla, like this. This we put it in the comal. This is my favorite quesadilla.
I'm gonna make a potato quesadilla. First, you grab the potato and boil it with water. Once it's cooked, you have to peel it and cut it. Then you cut the onion and cook it with the potato. You take the onion and the potato and fry it on the pan. And then we make the tortilla with the tortilla and potato.
We are going to make a spicy green sauce.
We need green tomato, chili, onion, and
Garlic. We need green tomatoes, green chili.
onion, garlic, and salt. We have to take the tail off of all the chili. Put here all the ingredients. Put here, and we have to put water in all of this. We have to take here and turn on the.
We leave all the ingredients in the stove to boil.
We have to blend all the ingredients and put a bit of salt.
And here we have the final result.
Really sweet. Mmm, it's delicious.
Okay, so now I'm presenting the tinga. What is tinga? We got other types of tinga, from beef and from chicken. Tinga is basically cooked along with ground tomatoes and chipotle, which is good. And then we just chop the onion and there's also the garlic to have better flavor in this. As you can see here, there's the onion. And the salt is of the taste, you can add it whatever you want. So now that we have this tinga, we'll just need a tortilla. Now that I have the tortillas, I'm going to add the tinga. And it's actually of the taste, how much you want it, how much you eat. You just fold this. And actually we got a problem with the tortilla right now. So now we got a beef one. It's the same process of folding it. So here we have. So here's a little problem that they don't fold. But anyway, as you can see, also the quesadillas that's the point. So we got final dishes in this presentation. As you can see, here's the cheese quesadilla, the sope, gordita, the other quesadillas.
Green sauce.
Sauce and
Boing.
boing, which is a traditional juice. It's a Mexican brand. Okay.
We are Cedros and we invite you to eat Mexiquitos Mexicanos.